Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Sydney, also known as Just Sydney. I am a stay-at-home mom of 3, a 14-month-old boy, and twin 4.5-year-old boys. I enjoy sharing motivational cleaning videos for other mamas, mommy vlogs, and lifestyle content here on my channel. So if that is something you can relate to, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to not miss any future videos. So with that being said, in today's video, I am sharing an all-day clean with me. And my main goal was to tackle our master bedroom because, as you guys can see, it is a complete disaster. And I literally had laundry overfilled here in our room. And yeah, it was just time to get this room in order. So if you enjoy cleaning videos or if you are needing some motivation today, please be sure to watch until the end of this video for tons of cleaning and also some laundry motivation towards the end of this video. I promise you guys won't regret it. Be sure to leave a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and I will talk to you guys in a bit. Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden things, golden. I follow only golden, golden things. This area was a mess, and I really wanted an area for my jewelry instead of just having them in random areas with a chance of misplacing some pieces. So I did remember I had a makeup acrylic organizer in our bathroom closet, and I went ahead and cleaned it first and decided to use this piece for my jewelry pieces instead, since I don't really have a big makeup collection at the moment. And I feel this will not only motivate me more to use my jewelry pieces, but I'm also glad I have a specific area for all of my jewelry now. It's just gonna make me much more organized and just, you know, just not have clutter everywhere. Like, my counters tend to be cluttered, so I'm just glad I finally got that in order.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. just gonna drive you. I'm just gonna drive you. Wherever we go, we're taking control.
Alright, you guys, so I decided to rearrange our room since I actually deep cleaned underneath the bed and furniture this time around, and I feel like it's so much more spacious. I was also debating whether to take Liam's crib out of our room because he hardly sleeps in it, if I'm being honest. We have been co-sleeping a lot lately, but I am hopeful that we can transition him to his crib or maybe his own toddler bed in the near future. Either way, it's in here for now, and I am so relieved I finally tackled this room once and for all. I hope you guys enjoyed this transformation, and now I'm just going to be switching out a load that I had in the laundry and then moving on to the dining room and kitchen to get those areas tidied up as well.
I'm just gonna drive you. I'm just gonna drive you. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I don't like being on my own. I could use someone to hold. And I've been trying to fill the void, but my bed is getting cold. 'Cause I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. You said you had to go away just to figure out who you are. And I'm in this empty house.
So I decided to go ahead and wipe down the cabinets as well, since it's one chore that I hardly ever do, if I'm being honest. But I need to get in the habit of making this part of my cleaning routine as well, just to make sure that any germs are wiped away, especially during this time of year. Let me know down below in the comments, what chore do you tend to forget to do?
Forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do. It's hopeless to be holding on to you. I guess we forgot about the way we could sit and talk all night. We just let the good times pass and got caught up in our fights. I say I don't mind, but that's a lie. Thought we'd work it out. I've tried to let you go. Memories, they tend to stay. Doesn't matter anyway, 'cause it won't be you and me. Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me
I lost my way, no words to say. Time flies by on my mind. I'm cutting down the wires, feeling kinda tired. I think I lost myself, I think I lost myself, I think I lost it all. I'm cutting down the wires, I'm feeling kinda tired, I think I lost myself, I think I lost it all. You know I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Lost my way, no words to say. Time flies by on my mind. I'm cutting down the wires, feeling kinda tired. I think I lost myself, I think I lost myself, I think I lost it all. You know I'm cutting down the wires, I'm feeling kinda tired, I think I lost myself, I think I lost it all. You know I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun, the feeling we chase. I'm wide awake, take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy.
So if you made it all the way until the end of this video, thank you so much for sticking around. I truly hope you got inspired to clean a neglected area or tidy up around your home, but don't be fooled. I still had a basket of laundry left to fold and put away, but I did what I could on this day and I felt it was more than enough. So if all you are able to do today is fold and put away some laundry, please know that that is enough. And just try another area tomorrow and pick back up where you left off. You are doing amazing. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.